Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making method. I'm about to show you the step-by-step process and how you can actually start making money every single month. So make sure you watch this video from the
If
beginning
you're having
till
a
the
rough
end so
time
you
trying
know
to sell your
exactly what
property
you need to do
and don't want to
in
go
order to
through
start
with the
making some
realtor,
money in
or even have a lien
2020.
against
So
the
let's get
property,
started
or
right
even
away
owe the bank
with
some money,
today's money
guess
making
what? I can
method.
help.
So I'm about to show you a actual YouTube channel that is doing an amazing job with this method. I'm going to show you how you can actually start making some simple easy videos just like this, and every video is at least getting a couple million views, like 12 million, 14 million, 10 million, 8 million, 6 million, 4.3 million, and just doing some simple and easy videos. So it says our tour went wrong in all the best ways. So it says the most underrated game ever. I don't like that dentist. So I'm going to show you how you can actually start making some videos just like this one by doing this simple method. And you can see right here, this person or this channel is making anywhere from $8,000 to $140,000 every single month, guys, for doing these simple methods that's not even showing the person's face, which is really incredible on making money online on YouTube at that, guys. So I'm about to show you how you can actually get started right now by using this one website. So the website that I'm going to be showing you how to start this process off with is going to be Render Forest, and there is going to be a membership fee if you guys are planning on sticking to with this method, but you can get started for free right now. I'm about to show you how you can do that. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on create now. So once you click on the link down in the comment or in the description of this video, just go to create now. Now the next step is coming over here to where it says add scene, or you can load a preset, or you can even type in your own script, guys. So there's three different methods that you can start using to make money with YouTube with this one website. So what we're going to be doing for this actual video is making videos, guys. So we're going to click on add scene. So we're going to be able to browse a whole list of scenes to actually add inside of our clip or our video clip that's animated. Look how the person moves. How insane is this? Look, we can easily talk about like our doctor visit or what happened to us once when we were younger and we had to go to the hospital, or you can just start making up stories. Look at all of these different animations that you can choose from and combine them together to make a simple and easy and possibly even fun story. So look, you can talk about right here right from the get-go. Let's choose this one, man getting an overweight or weighing scale. So we just click on this one. We're gonna talk and make this video all about losing weight or something that has to do with weight, guys. So we're gonna click on this one. The video is gonna last anywhere from 5 to 16 seconds. So now we can choose another one. So look, if we go over here to the left side of the screen, we can actually choose from different categories of different stuff like occupations, male characters. So this can be a male character in a different occupation that you can choose from. So we can do, since this is going to be about weight loss, we're just going to continue to look for different actual clips to add inside of this. You can even add like, hey, I went to the gym and then I seen an alien, an extraterrestrial, and just start making up like a story just like that, guys. Or we can come over here and go to like office animation or children animation, background animation. So we can go to the background animation, see what's inside of this. So if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online, and let's continue with this method. So look at all of these different animations that have different backgrounds that you can actually put inside of your own video. Like here's one of the gym right here. So we're gonna click on that. That's two clips that we have already together, and we can just keep on adding stuff. So look, we went to the gym, we were trying to lose weight, or we're losing weight, and then I had a problem. I hurt my wrist or hurt my arm or something, so now I'm at the doctor, or I had to go to the DMV to go, or the bank, to go get some money out from the bank or something. You can make up a easy story just like that, guys. So we can either stick with the doctor or not stick with the doctor. We can continue to keep adding different stuff in here, like this one, or we can go to like the text holders. There's different ways that you can start making footage or making videos for using this simple software. So let's go to insert real quick. So we only have two actual inserts. So now it's time to insert our text. So it can be like, and now since we have that text right there, that sentence, want to lose weight, we can just save it, and now it's gonna be there. So we're gonna ask the person of this video if they want to lose weight, or we can say, have you been trying to lose weight or something? And then the next step is, well, I can show you how. And then or you can say I can show you how not to do it. So I can show you how not to do it. So there we go. We can put that, since if we added the actual other slide, so we can come back over here. We can look for that slide real quick. So let me look for that. And once we find that slide, that background slide of the doctor, and go to insert, then it's going to insert the next clip in there if that was not long enough. So we can come over here. We can be I will show you how I got hurt. How I got hurt. So you can just make up a story at the beginning for doing nothing, guys. You just add the text right there. It's going to save it, and it's going to change all the other text for you. And then you can just start, making a clip of how you got hurt by going to the gym, and then just making it with these cool animations. And then once these animations are all said and done, let's say the video is about 7 seconds or 7 minutes, 7 minutes long. Look, for only 3 clips, we're already at 19 minutes right here, guys. Now, a cool thing about this is that you can actually add in your voiceover, and I would highly recommend you guys doing that. So let's go to style. So now we have 2 different styles. We have even more over here if you want. So we can choose from any of these different styles if you guys are interested. So I'm just gonna go to a flat look for the purpose of this video. So we can go over here to color. We can change the color of the whole theme of the video. So I like to, me personally, I like to do like dark themes. I like to be like darkish in a way. So now we can go to music. Now we can add music in the background. This is copyright free music. So you can just choose the music that you might want to right here, and just start putting it inside the video. So let's go to the power of dubstep. Let's add that to the video, our video. So now let's turn down the music just a tad bit to about 53% or something. Now the cool thing, and that I would highly recommend you guys doing, is adding in your own voiceover. Now you might be asking, Edward, I don't want to, I'm too scared, I don't like people knowing that it's gonna be me. Maybe my family might see it, maybe anybody that I know, my friends, might laugh at me if we're making a video like this. Well guys, you can easily go over here to Fiverr and pay somebody a couple of bucks. So if you come over here and we type in voiceover on Fiverr, guys, you have all of these people that will be more than happy to help you out. So look, just for $10, you can be able to get somebody to do a cool voiceover, either male or female, depending on how you want this channel to be. So if you are a guy and you want a voiceover of a female, then I would recommend you guys possibly just sticking with the whole channel to be a female voiceover in a female channel, but you are still a guy doing the actual method. So you can do anything, guys. This is totally up to you. Your imagination, your mind is what's going to fuel all of this, guys. So you can make up some crazy stories of how Area 51 is a conspiracy theory or something, and just make the whole clip about Area 51 and just start making videos, guys. I just showed you a cool tip and trick on how you can start getting this up and running today and start taking action. So as soon as it's all done, we have a voiceover or we have our music, then we can just come over here to preview, and then we can go over here to where it says free previews, and then actually watch it ourselves. You have to sign in. So as you can see, guys, now it's going to start creating the video for us. It will take a couple of minutes or seconds just because it's combining everything together. So as you can see, it says preparing your media, and it's going to prepare our actual video or actual clip. That's only 19 seconds, guys, so it's not that long of a clip just for the purpose of this video. But within a couple of minutes, I already got it to 19 seconds. So you can just keep on adding clips, adding text, or actually just outsource all of this. You can go to Fiverr, give them an idea, tell them to write a script for you, and then pay somebody else, a video editor, to put it together for you, and then hire a voiceover and then put that together as well. Now you have your own video clip, and you didn't really do nothing but just pay people to do it for you. So as you can see, the video is already complete, guys. So I'm about to show you how it looks whenever it's all said and done, and whenever everything comes together, so you can start making videos just like this one for your own YouTube channel, or you can actually start putting up gigs on Fiverr and actually start selling videos just like this and start getting paid that way, guys. So there's 2 different money making methods within this one video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So as you can see, guys, this was the video and it's all said and done. So you can actually download this video, publish it directly to YouTube, or share it on any other social media platform, and you can actually change the video quality within here, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.